Alright fellas, well I put a Tsunami sound car in my auto rack. Here it is. There's the model number. I believe it's the model number. Anyways, still working on it right now. But I just figured I'd show you guys. I got a Rail Pro Fred on the rear. Put the speaker inside on the bottom so it faces down. It tells you on the instructions more or less how to do it. Pretty simple. I like the sounds on it so far though. I'm gonna hit the brakes right now and check it out. Alright, that's at full stop at 0. Then when you go again, you hear the air brakes release. Speed step 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you can also use it for like Bombardier cars. It's got different horns that you can use, and let me see, it's also got different light, you can put light functions on it and stuff like that. It's got that, but you can change all of that and turn it off. Alright, just figured I'd show you guys. Thanks for watching.